Hi, this is Jason with Hot and Mighty Mobile Cleaning. Here to talk to you today about one of our custom mobile wash trailers. I'm going to kind of go through some of the features of this particular trailer, but important for me to let you know the reason we designed this system. You know, with EPA concerns, with the Clean Water and Clean Air Acts, it's becoming increasingly more difficult for contractors to do the work that they've done for years and years. That's just simply discharge the water into, the water table, the sewers, the streets. I'm sure if you're in this industry, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We've really designed this unit to meet and kind of exceed expectations in those departments. So I'm going to kind of give you an overview of what we're looking at here. Right up front is going to be an MCS 3506 1H6G pressure washer. That's going to be a 630cc Honda GX series. It's a hot and cold machine. We've got a general pump. It's doing 6 gallons a minute. Stainless steel front panel, stainless steel control wrap. We've got an hour meter, adjustable thermostat, and this particular unit has an auxiliary. So there's a 110 volt ground protected outlet that you can plug accessories into if you need. Gasoline engine, diesel burner. All right, kind of continuing, what we're looking at, just give you a little information. It's a 7-foot wide, 20-foot long trailer. We've got tandem 6,000-pound axles, aluminum wheels. On the inside, what you're gonna notice is a diamond plated step. We actually do a sprayed in scorpion liner floor on this, so you've got a rubber floor that's slip resistant. You'll see right around the back here, you've got access to all the different components of the machine, so there's very easy maintenance for you guys out in the field. What you're gonna notice right here is gonna be our secondary interceptor drum, and this is a portion of our vac system. I'll go a little bit more into detail with that. Also over here, there will be 2 double stacked hose reels, 200 foot per reel. We've also got 200 foot of 2-inch crush proof vac hose here to take a look at. And this particular unit, we've got a 21-inch Mosmatic stainless steel surface cleaner with vacuum recovery port. Around the back side, what we're really looking at is the heart and soul. This is the vacuum portion and the discharge portion. So what this system allows a contractor to do is pressure wash, vacuum recover that water, clean that water, and then discharge that water right on site into your sanitary sewers. Sanitary sewers being the key part of that element. Kind of go over a quick overview of what we're looking at. I'm going to start all the way towards the front, the large water tank. You've got a 525-gallon water tank that's going to be feeding your pressure washer. Immediately in front of that water tank, what you're looking at is a 150-gallon aluminum custom-made oil water solid separator. That's going to do exactly what the name implies. It's going to separate your oils, your solids, and your waters. Your water's going to pass through the system, your oils are going to become floatables, and your solids are going to go to the bottom for easy clean out. Once that water passes through that, it's going to actually go into this large pool-looking filter. I like to call it a fat boy. It's a multimedia filter, typically filled with sand, that's going to scrub that water a little bit more thoroughly. Right behind there, we've actually got a backwash bag filter. This large pool filter that you're looking at is backwashable, so you don't need to keep changing the media out every time you use it or every couple of months. You can run the media for quite a long while. When you backwash that, all the garbage from that filter is going to get dumped into this backwash bag filter. The water is going to come back around to the oil water solid separator, so it's cleaned yet again, but you can empty that bag out and that's going to take that garbage out of that OWS and this multimedia. Right to the inside here, this is really the heart and soul of the vacuum system itself. What you're going to see here, this is a 390cc 13 horsepower Honda GX series engine. Right behind that, you've got a 250 CFM Gardner Denver blower. That is really what's providing your suction power and allowing you to get out at least 200 feet, in some cases 300 feet, recovering water from this unit. Right here, what you're going to see is a 15-gallon stainless steel drum. We call that a primary interceptor or a sand catcher. That's going to take out particles from that vac system that are about the size of sand, rocks, cigarette butts, and gum. What drives the pumps in this system is going to be a 7,000-watt generator. That's a 390cc Honda, and as you can see, we've kept all the engines the same, so you've got all Honda engines throughout the system. Again, designed really to meet the needs of that commercial contractor that's running into questions of how are you responsibly treating this water? Are you vacuum recovering it? Are you cleaning it? That'll give you kind of a quick overview. There's a lot more to this system, but I don't want to bore you for 25 or 30 minutes in a video talking about it. So the best thing for you to do if there's any interest in this system would be to call me, that's Jason, 1-800-897-7515. You can also visit us on the web at www.hotandmighty.com. Any questions or comments, feel free to give me a call.